My saw. Damn it, I was right on Anna. Sons of bitches. Grandpa, sometimes you're cock blocking me, boy. Oh, thanks, Grandpa. Okay, I'm on Anna. Man, she keeps disappearing. I don't know where she's going. Are we all down here? Somebody's already up. I'm going up. I'm going up. Somebody's already up. Oh, Connie's up. Okay. I got you. He's already outside? Front or back? Front or back? Oh my god, I see. Holy shit. That was fast. They're doing the gen. It's probably Leland. We're fucked. Oh, never mind. No, yeah, I see. One of y'all got him. One of y'all got him. Good job. I'm gonna go back to the gen. I'm going to the gen. I can stay outside if y'all want, but I still need to knock out some of those barricades in the house. They might have gone to the back, too. I'm going to go check the battery before I go back inside, guys. I don't see anybody at the battery. I'm just going to double check. Yeah. Yep, Anna's over here. She's going for the gen. I'm going after her. Unless that's you, sissy. Alright, she's over here somewhere. I saw her. Oh, sneaky bitch. Where are you? Somebody just opened a back door. I'm not sure if it was one of us or... Alright, I'm going to the battery because she's not at the gen anymore. I don't see anybody here either. She's at the gen. She's constantly going back to the gen. The gen got shut off. I'm chasing her right now. I can get her. I might need help though. I see sissy. Good job. Good job, teamwork. Thanks, sissy. Yeah, I'm going. The gen is still off, right? I'm getting there. I'm almost there. We just got to stop Julie from getting out. Damn, it's still cooling down? Fuck. Alright, yell at me if Julie starts going out. Alright, I'm starting it. Where's Julie? Oh, she's at the fuse. Okay. Jen's back up. Jen's back up. All right, I'm coming in through the kitchen. I don't know. Somebody's upstairs. Is that one of us? Front door was still open. I'm gonna just go check outside, relock the door. She might try the battery. I mean, not the battery, though. I'm just gonna stay out here for now. Julie's back here. She was trying the battery. She's right on me. If you see where I'm at, she's here, but the battery's still on, so it's all good. She's going through a couple gates. Yeah. I don't know where she went. She lost me in here. Here she is. Here she is. I'm on her. She's dead. I got her. Hey, GG's, guys. GG's. I'm so sorry about your face, Julie. GG's, y'all, GG's. Hey, that was a good one. You almost had me twice. That Anna, man, if I wouldn't have had Sissy. Good job, guys. Oh, you were. GG's. Follow me on Twitch, GW Viper, Tim Star Stuff Comedy on YouTube.